Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot if Turtle Beach tells 500 won't pair. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow ensure the headset is charged. For this purpose, you have to connect the headset to a power source using the provided USB charging cable. Allow it to charge fully. A fully charged headset ensures stable pairing performance. Power off the headset. Press and hold the power button until the LED indicator turns off. Confirm the headset is powered down to reset pairing mode. Prepare the transmitter for pairing. Locate the recessed pairing button on the transmitter. Press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED begins flashing rapidly indicating pairing mode. Enter pairing mode on the headset. With the headset powered off, press and hold the power button until the LED starts flashing rapidly. This signals that the headset is in pairing mode. Complete the pairing process. Both the transmitter and headset LEDs should turn solid, indicating successful pairing. If not, repeat the steps from the pairing mode. Verify audio settings. For PC, right-click the speaker icon, select Sounds and go to Playback tab. Set the Turtle Beach headset as the default audio device. For console, adjust audio settings to ensure the headset is set as the primary output device. Update firmware. Download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC. Connect the headset via USB and follow the instructions to install firmware update. Firmware updates resolve many pairing and performance issues. Perform a hard reset. Refer to the user manual for reset instructions. Typically involves holding specific buttons for a set duration. Retry pairing after the reset is complete. Test on another device. Connect the headset to a different console, PC or mobile device. If it pairs successfully, the issue may lie with the original device setting or hardware. Contact support. For this purpose, you have to visit Turtle Beach official support website. Provide detailed information about the issue and the troubleshooting steps you have tried. Inquire about warranty or repair options if necessary. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.